And now to judicial matters, as the Supreme Court has now fixed the 31st of August for the delivery of judgment in the appeal filed by the People's Democratic Party and the Social Democratic Party challenging the election of Yahaya Bello as governor of Kogi State. The date for judgment was fixed by the Chief Judge of Nigeria, Justice Tanko Mohammed. TVC News Judiciary correspondent Celestina Area has more.
Issues surrounding the 2019 Kogi State governorship election raised by candidates and political parties who participated in the election will be decided by the Supreme Court on the 31st of August 2020. A 7-member panel of the Apex Court, led by the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Tanko Mohammed, fixed the date to deliver judgment shortly after taking the submissions of counsel to parties in the separate suits. The two appeals faced for judgment are that of the People's Democratic Party and its governorship candidate Musa Wada, and the Social Democratic Party and its candidate Natasha Akpoti. At the hearing, the PDP and its lawyer pleaded with the Apex Court to allow the appeal succeed and to grant the relief sought. Governor Bello's lawyer Joseph Daudu and that of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Alex Izion, opposed and urged the court to dismiss the appeal for lacking in merit. Mr. Daudu specifically pleaded with the Apex Court to affirm the concurrent decision of the Court of Appeal and the state's governorship election petition tribunal. In the second appeal filed by the SDP and its governorship candidate Natasha Akpoti, the Apex Court also announced its decision to give a final verdict on the same date with that of the PDP.
On our part, we have argued our case and that the appeal lacks merit and should be dismissed. So we leave it for the Supreme Court to decide on our submission.
This is the last court. It's a court of justice and it's a court of policy. So we are waiting we have done all we need to do as lawyers.
We are happy because we have adopted our arguments, judgment to come up on the 31st, and we are waiting what the Supreme Court decides on the issues tabled before them today.
The appeal filed by the DPP was also held and decided on. The appellant had challenged the powers of the Independent National Electoral Commission to disqualify him from participating in the said election for not being up to the required age of 35. The court dismissed the appeal filed by the Democratic People's Party and its governorship candidate for being an academic exercise. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.